Unit 5 Multi-Rate Signal Processing Introduction. Next we have to discuss about decimation and interpolation, sampling rate conversion by a rational factor. Implementation of sampling rate conversion, multi-stage implementation of a sampling rate conversion. Sampling rate conversion of band pass signals. Sampling rate conversion by arbitrary factor. Applications of multi-rate signal processing. Let us see what is meant by sampling rate conversion. Sampling rate conversion is the process of changing the sampling rate of a discrete signal to obtain a new discrete representation of the underlying continuous signal. So we are going to change the samples at what rate we had collected in a when we are converting that into analog to digital conversion. The sampling rate we are going to alter, that may be increased or decreased. Applications where we have to use this type of sampling rate conversion. Applications areas include image scaling, audio visual systems, where different sampling rates may be used for engineering, economic or historical reasons. These are the some of the applications. Next, basic sampling rate conversions are generally called as a multi-rate DSP, consists of decimation. It is a process of decrease the sampling rate. Interpolation. It is a process of increase the sampling rate. Next, downsampling. Downsampling means, as the name itself conveys some information, as sampling rate going to be reduced. Let us consider simple block diagram. In this downsampling, this downsampler going to be used. For this, x of n is going to be given. X of n is a discrete signal. Next, it is passed through a downsampler. Then we are going to get y of n, which is equivalent to x of n capital M. N capital M, where M is the downsampling rate. Let us consider this expression, y of n equal to x of n M. At what rate you are going to do this? Simple consideration, M going to be taken as a 2. Initial stage we are assuming M equal to 2. Then x of n is the original input signal, consists of a samples as x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5, so on. So that x0, x1, x2, x3, x4, x5 indicates you the samples of a given input sequence. The samples of a given input sequence. Y of n equal to x of n capital M. We considered here M equal to 2. Y of n equal to x of nm. Here I am going to substitute M equal to 2. N equal to 0. N equal to 0. That means we are obtaining y of 0 sample, output 0th sample from this decimation procedure. We are substituting in place of n 0. Y of 0 equal to x of 0. M was considered here 2. So 0 into 2 equal to 0. X of 0 only. N equal to 1. Y of 1 equal to x of 1 into 2. X of 2. N equal to 2. Y of 2 equal to x of 2 into 2, which is equivalent to x of 4. N equal to 3. Y of 3 equal to x of 3 into 2. X of 6. N equal to 4. Y of 4 equal to x of 4 into 2, which is equivalent to x of 8. N equal to 5. Y of 5 equal to x of 5 into 2 equal to x of 10. 5 into 2 equal to 10. See this. Y of 0, y of 1, y of 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the output samples. After decimation process, downsampler, x of 0 we are assigning for y of 0, x of 2 we are assigning for y of 1. What about x of 1? This sample going to be eliminated or removed from the given input sequence. So that we are extracting x of 0, x of 2. Meanwhile, we are removing x of 1. X of 1 not included in the output sequence. By this way, you are reducing samples. Whatever the sampling rate of a given input signal, at the output we are reducing number of samples. Go through this. Output y of n equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then in terms of input sequence, y of 0 equal to x of 0, y of 1 equal to x of 2, y of 2 equal to x of 4, y of 3 equal to x of 6. That means output consists of input samples, alternate samples going to be collected. Find the decimated data for the given sequence x of n for m equal to 2. Graphically we are going to show this and show the graphical representation. Whatever the functional representation we had worked in a previous, now we are going to show that to be in a graphical notation. So x of n. Let us consider x of 0 equal to 0, x of 1 equal to 1, x of 2 equal to 2, x of 3 equal to 3, x of 4 equal to 4, x of 5 equal to 3, x of 6 equal to 2, x of 7 equal to 1, x of 8 equal to 0. Means these are the samples as input we are passing for the down sampler. Down sampler. This is the output. This is the output we are getting based on the output equation whatever we saw just before. So y of 0 equal to x of 0. That means at y of 0 position we have to drag the x of 0. Next at y of 1 we have to get a y of 2 sample. What is the y of 2 sample? The y of 2 sample has an amplitude equal to 2. What about this sample? We had missed or reduced, down sampled. Then y of 2 equal to x of 4. Y of 2 equal to x of 4 having 4. Y of 3 equal to x of 6. Compare this decimated output with the input sequence. We are going to get 0 amplitude, 2 amplitude, missed 1, we missed 3, we missed this 3, we missed this 1. By this way we can conclude that decimation is nothing but sampling rate going to be reduced. That means number of samples within a given interval of time have to be reduced as a less. Reduced to be less. Here we considered 2. Capital M equal to downsampling rate is going to be 2. You can choose it as a 4 or 6 or whatever it may be. So we will stop this decimation or downsampling basic concept we learned now. We are going to wind up this topic.